my own money. I'm not boasting.
I'm not boasting. We're not boasting our own food. Anyways, so guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. What happened? You said. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you are tuned to Cooking with Winn. I know it's been a long time since I showed my face on here, but you know, a lot has been going on, but I'm back. So this year or going forward, I'm gonna be making an eating video, a mukbang, a mukbang video, eating Liberian food. Okay, so this is my sister. Her name is Princess. She and I are gonna be eating pepper torborgee today. If you want to learn how to make that pepper torborgee, I have another video on my channel showing you guys how to make the pepper torborgee. So you can check it out and learn how to make that. But today we're just gonna be eating. It's all about eating and lecturing. We probably, okay, not probably, but we're not gonna be speaking series a lot, or American English or standard English. We'll be speaking colloquial. Only my Liberian people know what it's called, colloquial, or broken English, okay? So we have pepper torborgee over here, and we have the rice, and we will be eating with our hands. I know some of you are gonna come under here and be like, oh, that's so nasty. Why are you eating with your hand? Why you don't have a spoon? That's our culture. Back home, we eat with our hand. If you want to eat with a spoon, you can eat with a spoon. But if you want to eat with your hands, you can eat with your hands. But please, do not be disrespectful to other people's culture. Just because we're eating with our hands, that don't give you the right to come and insult us or be disrespectful, okay? We got our soup here and our rice, and we're going to be chopping. All right, first we're going to wash our hands. You want to make sure you wash your hands first before eating. How do you use to spell it? S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. You get your spoon already. You're not your God-given spoon. So what you need spoon for again? Roll out your sleeve, your first. Put my clothes hand up. And then we wash your hands.
We wash it first with soap, okay? Don't feel our hand not clean well.
And we're just gonna use the spoon to pour the soup over the rice. Pepper torborgee. Hey. I didn't want you to be eating, you be crying. So this one comes in the middle. Let me sit down, poo. Alright.
Oh, y'all can I eat you?
Y'all like eat, ah?
Y'all like eat, yeah. Yeah, don't say what
that's how we call people. Y'all can I eat you? But I eat.
I can eat okra.
Pepper. So, how you doing today?
I don't know.
What been going on?
Nothing. But it's too sweet.
And it's spicy. The pepper burn in my mouth. Guys, usually I would advise do not talk while eating this food, but we're doing it for y'all. That's how much we like y'all.
When you go in your hand,
you'll see how one do. Ooh.
I don't even eat with our hand. So when you eat with your hand, you're going to get full quick.
You enjoy it too.
You enjoy it.
Eating with your hand is satisfying. Way better than eating with a spoon.
I mean, the day I go back, like people are going to eat with my hand. I'll eat with my hand. Go. Then you can also take the meat. Take meat and add it on the rice and eat it with it.
We'll finish the food, sir.
Will you finish it?
The white is spicy that is. Pepper torborgee, guys. It's tasty, like it's really good, but it's spicy. Yeah. So, what experiencing like boy eating torborgee, pepper torborgee? What's the worst experience you ever?
The worst experience I had eating pepper torborgee, one time I cooked it. My daughter was small. She cried. So I only buy experience how we eat. But the other one,
so you pepper again?
I pepper her. But the bad experience eating pepper torborgee. Let me tell y'all now. Y'all my Liberian people. Maybe other people who don't know. when you eat a pepper, you eat it through here, but the aftermath, it count the other side. After you do number 2, then our place be burning.
The same way your mouth burning.
The same way your mouth burning, how that place can burn, you're behind.
But enjoyable.
So, if you scared of it, don't eat pepper. Don't say Winn tell you. But it's so sweet.
The food they say the sugar should survive because I only the sugar can eat it. If you don't like spicy food, stay away from this kind of food.
And we make you to drink a lot of water too. You'll drink more water because
Enjoy, you want to eat?
it can be spicy. How you like pepper torborgee? How you like torborgee? You like plenty soda or you not like plenty soda?
You said torborgee.
Me, I like the soda plenty.
I mean, you said torborgee, so why add less soda?
Yeah, plenty
If you
soda.
don't want soda, just make it red wine. If you want torborgee, you gotta add the soda. That's why they have torborgee and they have red wine soup. So if you don't like plenty soda, stick with your red wine or you can pour a little soda in there. It's up to you.
I mean,
Okay?
I like plenty soda. I said, I'm not hungry, but the soup not making me.
Keep eating it.
I'm gonna keep eating more.
Ooh. Gosh. They food, yeah? Let me get y'all a story. Wait. You see that one? She said she left pepper torborgee. Certain time king, the only food they get won't eat a pepper torborgee. So they large pepper torborgee, she couldn't, she gave up. They get
2 bags of pepper.
12 bags of pepper. 2 bags of pepper. Oh. Nothing mixed with it. Wait. No, she mixed 1 bag of pepper.
Yeah.
The pepper, just looking at the size of the bottle. And the bag of pepper almost like the size of this pan. 12 of it. 1 bag of pepper. All garden eggs. She cook it, she eat it, she give us straight. She couldn't even eat it, she ended up wasting it.
We still.
Wasting food.
But plenty of meat in it too.
Since then, she gave up pepper torborgee. Like today, she eating it.
Eating
It was,
yeah.
what, a month ago?
I think it was in November.
If you don't like pepper, you need to mix the pepper with a lot of garden eggs. Or mix it with bell pepper. It help you. When you don't do it, don't sound like you. Ooh, they feel good.
You see? This is a real spoon from God. From God. And when you eat it with it.
Then I know, tell me.
A real spoon from God. We need to teach our children the culture. Some of our children don't even know how to eat rice.
And I ain't want to eat it yourself. They won't be eating
Chicken nugget. Burger King. When you do it, then they start getting dry.
Yeah. So guys, I know in my previous video I used to do my introduction by me eating the food. It's not gonna be like that anymore. I'm just gonna make a specific video of me just eating the food with someone or alone. And my introduction is just gonna be regular introduction.
Then when you burn it, when you pepper burn it, you go ahead.
Can you please tell your daughter? And they had a song for it, right?
Yeah. Or you know how some people can do it again, right? They can go. They sit outside the fire, they open that mouth. Or maybe they can burn more.
Or you can use the ice cube and just rub it around your leg. It helps reduce the hotness or the burn. Or you can drink milk. I don't know, people say milk work, but I usually use the ice cubes. Excuse me. Good food. What you shaking that on for now?
Chicken feet.
What you want that in?
Chicken feet. We call it chicken feet.
Somebody come and say that's disgusting. You know they always come in.
Yeah, eating chicken feet.
Ew, that's so gross. This brings back so much memory from back home.
And how we can eat together too back home in our country. In Liberia, we eat together in one. We can put in a big dish pan. We say dish pan. We put it in dish pan. We sit down, sometimes about 4 or 5 people. One bowl. And just eat in it. It brings unity. You know, your feed that togetherness.
That know that I know.
But everything here.
And the rest small, then you have to share it.
Then you have to share it.
And like your own there. Like your own there. When you finish eating your own, you out. Don't touch the other people own. You will saw you. It was sung by your steak. You buy crawfish? I sure we talk about crawfish, huh?
Crawfish.
So for my video, most of it gonna be my eating video. Most of it we're gonna be eating while we're here. So get ready. You ain't get a runny nose, guys. From eating the pepper torborgee, you'll get a runny nose.
By force.
It's like your mouth is hot, your nose running. It's so funny. Even though it's hot though, but we're still eating it because it's good. Ooh. You know what? I think it's time for the earring to come out too. Oh, it ain't hot over here. Ooh.
And Margaret can be going to Wagiso. Raw fish.
The reason why I let her put it Margaret, because you don't mash the other fish in it. That's why most of my videos you see I cooking mackerel in my fish, in my food. Because mackerel, it keeps its shape. But if you cook snapper or tilapia in food like this,
The mash and the bone.
they're gonna all disappear.
Me man go for.
And a dry turkey, yo. You see, as soon as they go to make a dry turkey in, yo. I go for, but I won't eat the meat. Now when you go for, you still won't eat the
You
meat.
still want to eat the meat.
Alright, guys.
So I don't want to tell them, say, can I eat this? Me, I don't want meat, yo. My go for, but I want the meat. No.
You go for rice, but you go
You're
for
going
meat.
for me. You're going for me, you're going for.
Right. Who gave up, boy?
I'm going for, but I still
This
want
is
the
it.
fish.
Another way you can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Lick all that juice off your hand.
I know, hey, from Liberia, you know what this mean. If you grow in Liberia, you know what it mean. Maybe other country too, like Ghana. I know African people eat with their hand too. So maybe Ghana, Nigeria, they also eat with their hand, right? Yeah, they eat with their hand. They
For
their
certain food.
Yeah.
Like the fufu, the pan yam, and that soup. Alright, I'm done. So when you're done, you just wash your hands, pour water. Oops. But you be standing to wash your hands a little simple after eating the food. Oh. I'm so full, guys. Alright, so
Thank you for eating with us.
this is the one that's left. We couldn't finish it.
She can eat.
I ain't eat one. I ain't eating it one.
You see, she myself body, she can eat.
Just because my body beat, that don't mean I don't want to eat. Do you know dry people can eat plenty?
No.
Skinny people can eat a lot. And because they're skinny or because they're always skinny, so you don't tell that they eat a lot, but they are the worst.
This
eater.
one don't eat.
She eat 6 o'clock in the morning rice. A typical African girl or Liberian girl, I was saying that here.
Yeah.
In the morning rice, in the afternoon rice, in the night rice.
But you say when we not eat rice, I will not selling fat. You know
I
that
know,
one.
oh my.
You know that one.
You eat American oil for you to change small. You don't want to change small.
No, you hear that what they can say? They say you can take the girlfriend in the bush, but you can't take the bush from out of the girl. No, me, you don't take the bush from out of me. Yo. I let my food be there. More especially rice.
I did GB princess, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So when you eat a food, you finish eating, put the water in your mouth. You can spit it out or you can drink it. It just helps clean your teeth, so you don't have the soup on your teeth and then go smile from smiling. Especially when you don't eating kasali, you need to do that. Put the water in your mouth, shake it, and drink. And you go smile and Alright guys, so this is the end. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Thank you for eating with us basically.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope we were able to entertain you guys. I had a burp.
Say in Liberian English.
I had a bash.
I had a bash.
Bash, good food. Excuse me, club beer. When you finish bashing, you say, well, excuse me, club please.
Excuse me, club beer.
Club beer.
At my own money, I'm not boasting.
I'm not boasting. We're not boasting our own food. Anyways, so guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. What happened? You said. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I hope you guys have fun watching us, and for some of you that wouldn't understand us, it's okay. That's just us being us. So subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. If you want to learn how to make this meal, check the pepper torborgee video on my channel. Like my video, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and we are out.
I love you all.